Imagine this. Inside your body, there are thousands of miles of blood vessels working non-stop, carrying oxygen and nutrients from your heart to every single cell. But what if these pathways slowly start getting blocked? In today's fast-paced lifestyle across the United States, with processed foods, high stress, and lack of physical activity, a silent condition is becoming more and more common. It's called clogged arteries. What makes it dangerous is this: you may not feel anything at all in the early stages. No pain, no warning. But over time, fatty deposits, cholesterol, and other substances build up inside your arteries, forming what's known as plaque. This condition, medically called atherosclerosis, can restrict blood flow and eventually lead to serious complications like heart attacks or strokes. According to major health organizations, many people don't even realize they have blocked arteries until it's too late. So the big question is, can you do something about it naturally? The answer is yes, to a certain extent. While food is not a cure, research shows that certain nutrient-rich foods can support heart health, reduce inflammation, and help keep your arteries functioning properly. In this video, we'll explore 8 powerful foods that may help keep your arteries clean and your heart strong. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster, it's a natural medicinal powerhouse. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce LDL, bad cholesterol. Studies suggest that garlic may also help prevent plaque buildup in the arteries and improve blood vessel flexibility. Adding 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic to your daily meals could make a real difference over time. Number 2. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, arugula. These greens are loaded with nitrates. Once inside your body, nitrates convert into nitric oxide, which helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This improves circulation and reduces blood pressure. They're also rich in antioxidants that help protect your arteries from damage. Number 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and help prevent plaque buildup. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish at least twice a week for optimal heart health. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and magnesium. They help lower LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL, good cholesterol.